Remember those clean, simple diagrams of the solar system from school? It turns out they were a beautiful lie. Our understanding of the cosmos has exploded, and many of the facts we were taught are outdated, oversimplified, or just plain wrong. Let's blast off and debunk 6 common space myths. Look at any child's drawing and you'll see a yellow sun. But from space, the sun is actually white. It emits light in all colors of the spectrum equally, which our eyes perceive as white. It appears yellow to us on Earth because our atmosphere scatters the shorter, bluer wavelengths of light, leaving the longer, redder and yellower wavelengths to reach our eyes. At sunrise and sunset, this scattering is even more extreme, making the sun look orange or red. Thanks to movies like Star Wars, we imagine the asteroid belt as an impossibly dense obstacle course. In reality, it's overwhelmingly empty. The average distance between asteroids is over 1 million miles. If you were standing on one asteroid, you likely wouldn't even see the next one with the naked eye. Sending a probe through the belt is a calculated risk, not a chaotic dodge fest. In the vacuum of space, there's no air to conduct heat away from your body. The only way to lose heat is through much slower radiation. You wouldn't freeze instantly. In fact, you'd overheat first. Without air to cool you through convection, the heat generated by your own body would build up. The real immediate dangers are the lack of oxygen and the boiling of bodily fluids due to the low pressure. We often hear about the mysterious dark side of the moon, but this is a misunderstanding. It's true that we only ever see one face from Earth, a phenomenon called tidal locking. However, the side we can't see gets just as much sunlight as the side we can. A more accurate name is the far side. During a new moon, the side facing us is in total darkness and the far side is fully lit. The far side isn't dark, it's just hidden. Hollywood has painted black holes as relentless vacuum cleaners, sucking up everything in their path. In reality, their gravity works just like anything else in space. If you replaced our sun with a black hole of the exact same mass, Earth's orbit would remain completely unchanged. You only get sucked in if you cross the event horizon, the point of no return. From a distance, a black hole's gravity is no different than a star of the same mass. Our textbook images show the planets on a perfectly flat plane. While it's true the planets orbit in a relatively flat disk, the solar system itself is not flat. The orbits have slight inclinations. More importantly, the entire system is moving through space, with the sun's magnetic field creating a giant teardrop-shaped bubble called the heliosphere. We live in a 3D solar system, not a 2D drawing. The universe is weirder and more wonderful than our simplified textbooks could ever capture. The pursuit of knowledge means constantly updating what we think we know, and that's the most exciting fact of all.